All right, today we are going to be replacing the battery in this Landhero Chinese mini skid. This has got the, comes with the Rado 739, which didn't do so hot, so now it has a Predator 670 in it. The battery is located under here, which is not super convenient. So looks like we're gonna be taking off the muffler and the hydraulic pump and this bell housing that goes over the shaft on the motor to get this thing out of here. So here we go. All right, so battery's still down there. There's 4 bolts in this bell housing thing. I took them out. There are 2 bolts way down in the bottom of this thing that hold this on. And I actually had to slide this off of the shaft, which is pretty easy, in order to get the battery strap out of there. I'm hoping I don't have to take this whole bell housing apart because that's kind of a pain, but I'm not sure. So I'm getting ready to try to pull this battery out of here. We'll see if it'll fit out this hole. If I can, once you take this thing off of here, this thing slides around kind of a lot. So I'm thinking I can hopefully make space and pull this battery out of here, but we'll see. Here we go. All right, so I got the battery out. It's a pain in the ass. You have to take the bell housing off. I maybe could have got it out without doing that, but I tried and it was not working. So took the bell housing out. There's that. And got the battery out. Here's the battery that came in it. Here's the battery that somebody said to buy on Amazon. I don't remember who. This is 200 cold cranking amps and this is 360. So I'm not going to use this battery because I don't want to do all this work and then this thing not started. So I'm going to stop here for now, go to the auto parts store tomorrow. Also the terminals are different, which is, I'm not thrilled about that. I'd rather just have a normal post battery so I can just use the cables I've already got and not mess with anything. So going to the store tomorrow to get a battery and we will be back. All right, y'all, we're back. Battery's in. It is a 51R, 500 cold cranking amps, 625 cranking amps. It's an Interstate battery. 1620922 is the battery number. Got it from Costco. Yeah, 51R should get you what you want. So got it in, had to take the bell housing off, had to take the coupling off for the hydraulic pump. Got all that stuff out of the way. Didn't end up taking the muffler off. Probably would be a lot easier if I did, but it's a pain to get that thing off of there, so I didn't do it. So here's what we got. Gonna put it back together. Probably at least crank it over. All right, battery's in, pump's back on. Got my ground here. These 2 bolts are a huge pain. You can't pack them out, but so far, because of this hydraulic hose connection on both sides, you have like no space. It's super close to the pump housing, so you can't get any type of ratcheting wrench on there or anything, so it just takes forever. But new battery's in, 51R Interstate from Costco. So let's see what we got. We got some gas. Good to go. And I also put a battery tender port on here because I do not want to do this again. This is a huge pain. So that's it. battery swap on a Landhero mini skid steer. Thanks for watching.